Hello everyone, I am Mr.Peck. This is my friend. Her name is Lily. Hi Lily.
Hello, Mr. Peck.
Lily, look at this picture. What can you see here?
I can see a spaceman on an unusual planet. It has crates and nothing else. No trees or water. I can see a rocket that the spaceman came on. He met an alien. I think they will become friends. Ask me, Mr. Peck.
Can you see stars in the sky?
Yes, I can.
How many planets are shown in the sky?
One planet is shown in the sky.
Does the planet have a ring around it?
Yes, it does.
What color is the planet's ring?
It is blue.
Is the rocket orange or blue?
It is orange.
Is the alien green?
Yes, it is.
How many eyes does the alien have?
It has one eye.
Can you see the spaceman's face?
No, I can't.
How many craters can you see?
I can see 5 craters.
Lily, do you want to go to space?
No, I don't.
Good job, Lily. See you later.